Hello students, in this video we are going to solve square root of x square plus x plus 1 plus square root of x square minus x plus 1. This is equals to 2, and here we will find out the value of x, and x belongs to real number. Here we will apply substitution method. If we substitute, this expression is a and this expression is b. Here a is equals to square root of x square plus x plus 1. Then this a is greater than equals to 0, and substitute square root of x square minus x plus 1. This is equals to b. Then b is greater than equals to 0. Now if we take square both sides, then in left hand side a square, this is equals to square root of x square plus x plus 1 whole square. Then in left hand side a square, this is equals to, this square root is cancelled out by this square, then here x square plus x plus 1. Let us consider this is equation number first. Now here if we take square both side, then in left hand side square root of x square minus x plus 1 bracket power 2, this is equals to b square. Then this square root is cancelled out by this square, then here x square minus x plus 1, this is equals to b square. Here look, a square, this is equals to x square plus x plus 1, and b square, this is equals to x square minus x plus 1. Then here if subtract this equation from this, then minus minus plus minus. In left hand side we have a square minus b square, and in right hand side this x square and this x square is cancelled out because this is positive and this is negative. Here this plus 1 and this minus 1 is cancelled out. Here x plus x, that is 2x. We have a square minus b square, this is equals to 2 times x. And this expression is a and this expression is b. A plus b, this is equals to 2. Now we have a square minus b square, this is equals to 2 times x, and a plus b, this is equals to 2. Here this implies in left hand side a square minus b square, and we know that algebraic identity of a square minus b square is a plus b times a minus b, this is equals to 2 times x. Now here we know that a plus b is 2. If this a plus b is replaced by 2, and here a minus b, this is equals to 2 times x. Now if we divide both sides 2, then here 2 and here 2, then this 2 and this 2 is cancelled out, and this 2 and this 2 is cancelled out, then here a minus b, this is equals to x. Now we have a plus b, this is equals to 2, and a minus b, this is equals to x. If we add both the equations, then in left hand side this plus b and this minus b is cancelled out, then here 2 times a, this is equals to x plus 2. Here if we divide both sides 2, then in left hand side this 2 and this 2 is cancelled out, then value of a is x plus 2 over 2. Now we know that a square is x square plus x plus 1. So that's why if we take square both sides, then in left hand side a square, this is equals to x plus 2 over 2 whole square. A square, this is equals to, in right hand side we will apply a over b bracket power m, this is equals to a power m over b power m. Then this right hand side is x plus 2 bracket power 2 and divided by 2 power 2, that is 4. In left hand side a square, this is equals to, and in right hand side x plus 2 whole square. We know that x plus 2 whole square is same as x square plus 4x plus 4 divided by 4. Value of a square is x square plus x plus 1. So this a square is replaced by x square plus x plus 1. This is equals to x square plus 4x plus 4 divided by 4. If we multiplied both sides 4, then in left hand side 4 is multiplied by x square, then we get 4x square plus 4 is multiplied by x, then we get 4x, and this 4 is multiplied by 1, then we get plus 4. This is equals to this 4 and this 4 is cancelled out, then here x square plus 4x plus 4. Now this 4x is positive and this 4x is positive, so that's why this is cancelled out, and this 4 is cancelled out. Then here 4x square, this is equals to x square. If we take all the expression in same side, then 4x square minus x square, this is equals to 0. Now 4x square minus x square is 3x square, this is equals to 0. This implies x square, this is equals to 0. Then we can say if x square is equals to 0, then value of x is 0. So this is our final answer. Students, if you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel, and thank you.